Hey there, hope you're doing fantastic. Alex Lawrence here with Big Al's Realty, powered by Costello. And do you want a private oasis with still plenty of convenience? Well, welcome to 369 Grandstand Lane, right here in Angel, North Carolina. Let's take a look. This home is a great piece of real estate. 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, a little under 2,100 square feet. You have a first floor master bedroom, huge spacious secondary bedrooms, and a great deck and yard to entertain all day long. I'll meet you in the backyard. Once again, this is Alex Lawrence with Big Al's Realty, powered by Costello. And thanks for touring 369 Grandstand Lane right here in Angel, North Carolina. Give us a call for a private tour today. In the meantime, I'll be roasting some marshmallows, having some fun, and waiting for your call. Have a great day.